Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you in here detailed explanation of the Kegel exercise method, including its benefits, step-by-step instructions, variations, and additional tips. But it will provide you with comprehensive information on Kegel exercises. So before I start, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral, please make habit, thanks. So let's starting so. Kegel exercises are a popular and effective way to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. These exercises specifically target the muscles that support the bladder, uterus, and rectum, helping to improve bladder control, prevent urinary incontinence, and enhance sexual satisfaction. In this detailed guide, we will explore the benefits of Kegel exercises, provide step-by-step instructions on how to perform them, introduce variations for different levels of strength and ability, and offer additional tips for maximizing the effectiveness of your Kegel exercise routine. Benefits of Kegel exercises. Before diving into the exercise method, let's briefly discuss the numerous benefits of Kegel exercises. 1. Enhanced bladder control. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can help control the release of urine, reducing the frequency and urgency of urination, and preventing urinary incontinence. 2. Improved sexual satisfaction. Strong pelvic floor muscles contribute to better sexual experiences by increasing blood flow to the genital area, enhancing arousal, and providing better control over orgasms. 3. Postpartum recovery. Kegel exercises can aid in the recovery of pelvic floor muscles after childbirth, helping to restore their strength and tone. 4. Prevention of pelvic organ prolapse. By strengthening the pelvic floor, Kegel exercises can help prevent the descent or sagging of pelvic organs, such as the bladder, uterus, or rectum. Step-by-step instructions for Kegel exercises. 1. Find the right muscles. The first step in performing Kegel exercises is to identify the pelvic floor muscles. One way to do this is by imagining you are trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you use to do this are the ones you want to target. Note that while this is a helpful technique for initially locating the muscles, it is not recommended to regularly practice Kegels during urination, as it may disrupt normal bladder emptying. 2. Get into a comfortable position. Kegel exercises can be done in various positions, including sitting, lying down, or standing. Choose a position that is comfortable for you and allows you to focus on isolating the pelvic floor muscles. 3. Prepare for the exercise. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. This helps to release any tension and prepares your muscles for the exercise. 4. Contract your pelvic floor muscles. Squeeze and lift your pelvic floor muscles, as if you are trying to lift them upwards. Imagine that you are pulling them inward and upward towards your belly button. It's important to focus on contracting the correct muscles and avoid tensing other surrounding muscles, such as the abdomen, buttocks, or thighs. 5. Hold the contraction. Once you have contracted your pelvic floor muscles, hold the contraction for a count of 5 seconds. If you are a beginner, start with a shorter hold and gradually work your way up to longer durations as your muscles become stronger. 6. Relax your muscles. After holding the contraction, release and relax your pelvic floor muscles for a count of 5 seconds. This relaxation phase is essential as it allows the muscles to recover and prevents them from becoming fatigued. 7. Repeat the exercise. Repeat steps 4 to 6 for a total of 10 to 15 repetitions in one session. If you find this challenging initially, start with a lower number of repetitions and gradually increase over time. Aim to perform Kegel exercises at least 3 times a day. Variations for different levels. 1. Beginner variation. If you are new to Kegel exercises or have weak pelvic floor muscles, start with shorter durations for both the contraction and relaxation phases. Begin with a 2-second hold and gradually increase it as you progress. 2. Intermediate variation. Once you have built some strength and control, increase the duration of the contraction to 7 to 10 seconds, while maintaining a 5-second relaxation phase. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions per session. 3. Advanced variation. For those with advanced strength and control, aim for a 10 to 15 second contraction, followed by a 5 to 10 second relaxation phase. Perform 20 to 30 repetitions in one session. Tips for effective Kegel exercises. 1. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to Kegel exercises. Aim to incorporate them into your daily routine and make them a habit. Set reminders or find a specific time each day to perform your exercises. 2. Gradual progression. As your pelvic floor muscles become stronger, gradually increase the intensity and duration of the contractions. This progressive overload stimulates further muscle growth and improvement. 3. Combine with deep breathing. Incorporating deep breathing techniques during Kegel exercises can enhance relaxation and overall effectiveness. Inhale deeply before contracting your pelvic floor muscles, and exhale fully as you release and relax them. 4. Avoid straining. While performing Kegel exercises, it's important to avoid straining or holding your breath. Maintain a relaxed and natural breathing pattern throughout the exercise. 5. Take breaks. Just like any other muscles, the pelvic floor muscles need time to recover. Avoid overexertion and give your muscles adequate rest between exercise sessions. 6. Seek professional guidance. If you have any concerns or are unsure about performing Kegel exercises correctly, consider consulting a healthcare professional, such as a pelvic floor physical therapist. They can provide personalized guidance, assess your technique, and tailor the exercises to your specific needs. Kegel exercises are a simple yet powerful method for strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, improving bladder control, enhancing sexual satisfaction, and promoting overall pelvic health. By following the step-by-step instructions, gradually progressing in intensity, and incorporating additional tips, you can effectively incorporate Kegel exercises into your daily routine. Remember to be consistent, patient, and seek professional guidance if needed. With regular practice, you can experience the numerous benefits of Kegel exercises and enjoy a stronger and healthier pelvic floor. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours nearest surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.